Hello everyone, this is your friend Anna and hopefully your next favorite YouTuber. Here on this channel we talk about beauty, style, travel, cozy things and so much more. And today we're going to talk about hair growth and Mielle Rosemary Hair Oil. I ordered accidentally a fake bottle of Mielle Rosemary Oil and today I want to tell you how not to do the same thing and how to check if your Mielle Rosemary Oil is actually a real bottle and not a counterfeit product. Last week I shared with you on this channel my hair growth story video and how I used Mielle Rosemary Oil in order to grow my hair. I will leave a link to that video in the description down below if you haven't watched it. By the way, if you have your own tips on how to grow your hair faster, please share them in the comments below. I think it will be really useful for other people to read those. And today I'm going to talk about Mielle Rosemary Oil once again because just last week it was time for me to buy this oil once again, and unfortunately it was sold out on iHerb website and I had to look for it in other places, and the only place where I managed to find it was on a website called Allegro. Allegro is a website which is similar to eBay here in Poland. I think it exists in other European countries as well. So I ordered this bottle from Allegro, and when I received it and got it out of the box, straight away I saw that this was not a real product, this was a counterfeit fake product. I was really disappointed. I sent it back the same exact day and I decided that I need to film a video for you to understand if you receive a fake or real product if you are ordering Mielle Rosemary Oil for the first time in your life. I'm going to show you the photos that I took of the fake oil that I received, and here in my hands I have the real product, the empty bottle of Mielle Rosemary Oil. Before I jump into the differences between the real Mielle Rosemary Oil and the fake product, I wanted to strongly advise you to always buy your beauty products from trusted big websites, big beauty chains that we all trust, like Sephora, Douglas, iHerb, and some others that you have in your home countries. We can never take a risk with something that we apply to our skin. And I also wanted to strongly advise you to watch a Netflix documentary which is called Broken. I think the first episode of this documentary is about beauty and counterfeit beauty products, and it is very, very useful to understand why it's so important to always know what is inside of the bottle that you have, what is inside of the product that you apply to your skin, and how dangerous it might be to use counterfeit and fake beauty products. So let's dive deep in Mielle Rosemary Oil, and I strongly advise you to go grab your Mielle Rosemary Oil if you have one at home right now to check with me if your product is actually real or counterfeit. So the one that I have here was purchased from iHerb. This is an original product, not a counterfeit, and I'm going to show you this one and show you the pictures of the fake product that I got in a parcel. So first of all, the color of the label, that is something that you see straight away that something is wrong with it. The color of a real label is lighter shade of green. The color of a fake label is a darker shade of green. And then the color of the bottle. The color of the glass bottle should be a lighter shade of brown, not a darker shade of brown, as you can see on the pictures of a fake product. Then we can compare the font on the back of the label, where you have a text which says enjoy, and then you see infused with rosemary, mint and biotin, blah blah blah. This font looks different on the fake bottle and on the real thing, so you can see on the pictures how different the font is. The next thing you can check is see how the label is stuck to the bottle. The label should be placed really carefully and evenly, and you will see it here at the bottom and at the top. If the product is fake, the label was probably stuck really fast and really unevenly and not nice. You will see it on the pictures. And then the last thing that is very obvious is this stripe and this leaf of rosemary. They are very, very shiny on the fake product, and on the real thing they are not as shiny. They are more of a satin finish, just a little bit of shine. And those are the main signs of how you tell if your Mielle Rosemary Oil is fake or real. I did not apply the fake product onto my skin, obviously, but I opened the bottle to see the consistency of the product, and the consistency of that oil was so much thinner than the real Mielle Rosemary Oil. I really hope that this video was useful for you. If it was, please push the like button and share with me in the comments below if you've ever received a counterfeit product and you could tell it straight away. I will see you very soon with more beauty and style videos. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't yet. Bye!